Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify author schema and bio pages for credibility step by step clearly. To verify author schema, start by identifying the author page URL. Use a structured data testing tool like Google's Rich Results Test. Enter the author page URL into the tool and click Test URL. Look for the person's schema markup. Confirm that the author's name appears correctly within the schema. Next, validate that the author's bio is included. Ensure that the bio contains relevant details such as qualifications and expertise. Verify that the bio page has a clear link to the author's social media profiles. Search for the author's published works to corroborate their credibility. Look for external publications and citations related to the author. Assess the quality and relevance of the publications. Check for any industry awards or recognitions attributed to the author. Visit the author's social media profiles to gather additional insights. Review the author's professional background and experience. Once all information is gathered, compare it against the claims made on the author page. Make note of any discrepancies or missing information. Finally, document your findings for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.